Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keyboard and mouse settings in DragonSword Awakening. Let's begin by opening Settings. From here select Controls, then scroll down. We are looking for Keyboard and Mouse section. Here you can adjust the vertical and horizontal camera sensitivity on those gauges, with the default being 30, as you can see. You can go as low as 1 or as high as 100. Adjust those to your liking. I'll stick with 30. There is also the vertical camera control inversion and horizontal camera control inversion. This inverts the inputs for your camera controls. If you change the horizontal, toggle this on, so when you move your mouse to your right, the cursor will move to your left. The same applies to both. Right, once you're done adjusting those, simply close the menu, and that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.